Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how you can fix slow download speed on Telegram. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and then open up Telegram. Once you're on the home page, you want to click onto your profile and then you want to click on settings. Once you're on the settings page, scroll down and click on data and storage. And then the first thing you want to do there is where it says when using mobile data, click onto that. And then you want to scroll to the right and select data usage high, and you want to make sure photos, videos, files and stories is selected. Then you want to go back and then you want to click on when connected to Wi-Fi, make sure it's on high data usage and make sure that photos, videos, files and stories are selected, and then you will be good to go. The next thing you want to do is just go out of Telegram and then open up Telegram again. So the settings can be applied. If this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to my channel.